How to change business location in Google Maps. Welcome to ClitSorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. If you want to change business location in Google Maps, follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to sign in your Google Business profile. For that, you want to navigate to the website and enter your credentials to access your Google Business profile dashboard. When you sign in, you can easily locate the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. When you click on them, you will find different options on the menu. To proceed with the editing, select the option of Info. Once you select on the Info section, you will find the address field with a navigation icon beside it. You need to click on the address field, which will then take you to a window where you can make changes to your business address. Now you want to enter your address in the bar. If the address is not available in the option, you will have to choose it through the location marker manually. In case you do not find the location in the suggestions, you will have to choose the set market location that appears on the map on the right hand side of the window. When you choose the option, it will lead you to a new map which you can use to mark the new location. The new map appears with a red pin that you can drag and position at the exact location by zooming in for accurate marking. Once you do that, click on the apply option and now your business address has been changed. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.